Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about lemon juice. Lemon juice, no, not drinking it straight, no. There are many uses for it, and I want to talk to you about it. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now is a good time to do it. Just click this little red button right down here, and you'll be subscribed. Of course, it also helps if you ring the notification bell so you get notified when I post the video as well. All right, lemon juice. Lemon juice is nature's bleach. There are certain cloths that come out whiter when you use lemon juice on them. All right. Lemon juice is also great for canning. When you're canning and dehydrating, when you're dehydrating apricots. My wife, if you saw our videos on Camp Patton Family Compound about dehydrating the apricots, she took the lemons off the tree, that big monster tree we have in California with the lemons on it about the size as grapefruits, and she, used the juice to keep the apricots from turning black and brown. You also use it in the actual canning process to help do it, or if you don't have pectin. There are a lot of uses in the kitchen for lemon juice. So make sure you have plenty. And if you don't have any in the bottles and stuff, and you're in the right temperate zone to do it, plant a lemon tree. Hey, you'll never be sorry if you have a lemon tree in your backyard. If you get too many lemons, your neighbors will love you when you put bags out there free on the front, out on the curb. The lemons will always disappear. All right. So, as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, folks. And most important of all, keep on prepping and adding to your preps, whether it's in the garden or in the pantry. Add to your preps, and I'll see you in the next video. All right. Take care.